Hey guys, so, Huawei has launched its foldable Mate X2. The device features a new design language that is vastly different from its predecessor. Huawei Mate X2 comes with a new inward foldable design mechanism compared to the outward foldable design of the Mate X and Mate XS. The new design includes two displays. The main display is an 8-inch foldable panel that has a higher resolution and provides you a full view experience. Once folded, the Mate X2 lets you interact with a 6.45-inch OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and pill-shaped cutout on the top left corner. The new innovative dual wedge-shaped integrated design, with a sharp and slim appearance, contains a center of gravity offset. The center of gravity balances the device when holding with one hand and provides a comfortable grip, creating a new level of balanced aesthetics. According to Huawei, the Mate X2 is using a brand new hinge system that uses a variety of high-precision materials and processes. In addition to the zirconium-based liquid metal, it is also the first to introduce super-strength steel material that is resistant to impact and deformation. At the same time, it adds carbon fiber composite materials, high-precision materials, making it lightweight and reliable. Huawei Mate X2 comes in 4 elegant colors including white, bright black, ice crystal blue, and romantic ice crystal pink. Huawei Mate X2 is powered by the 5nm processed Kirin 9000 chipset with an octa-core CPU architecture consisting of one Cortex-A77 clocked at 3.13 GHz, 3 Cortex-A77 clocked at 2.54 GHz, and 4 Cortex-A55 clocked at 2.05 GHz. It has a 24-core Mali G78 GPU for better gaming and graphics performance. The Kirin 9000 also provides 5G as well as Wi-Fi 6 Plus for faster connectivity. The Huawei Mate X2 has a built-in EMUI 11 software system with features such as multi-window mode, better user interface animations, and more. Moreover, the phone has Huawei Mobile services. The camera seems directly lifted from the excellent one on the P40 Pro, with the huge 50 megapixels main sensor, 16 megapixels ultrawide, and 2 zoom cameras, one 12 megapixels 3x telephoto for closer objects or portraits, and one 8 megapixels with the whopping 10x periscope zoom. The camera system supports features such as autofocus, Huawei AI image stabilization, as well as photo modes that helps you to get the best photography experience. The big 4500 mAh battery has been carried over from the Mate XS, as well as the 55 watts charging. The charger is in the box, however, it's a 66 watts one of the fastest in the industry. Other notable Mate X2 features include a higher 90 Hz refresh rate for both displays, magnetically controlled nano-optical layer to minimize reflection, split-screen software features for multitasking, and director's view video streaming on one screen. Huawei will be releasing the Mate X2 this week, on February 25, for now in the Chinese market only, and at a price that is not that much lower compared to its predecessor at launch. The $2,785 equivalent in local currency gets you the 256GB Mate X2, and the top 512GB version will set you back $2,940.